Hey guys, welcome to this free class today. In a short video, I'm going to talk about feel like, which is good to know. Thank you for watching this video because I know you're gonna learn something new in it and it's gonna be useful for you. My name is Daniel. If you're watching me for the first time, and click on the button below to subscribe if you're new, and if you're there, if you're our follower, what you have to do is comment below to say if this video is useful, because I'm doing it for you guys. I'm gonna talk about feel like in a short time with you today. Of course, yes, let's get back, guys. I am currently talking about feel like. Feel like means when you have a strong desire for something, to do something, or to have something, you can use this expression, which is feel like. This signifie se sentir, avoir envie de, etc. But first thing I want to share is feel like can mean want or would like. If you don't want to use want, you can use feel like, or if you don't want to use feel like, you can use want or would like. It's feel like. Feel. I feel like, not feel like. No, it's not like this. I feel. Oh, do you feel? Yeah, it's not do you feel. Okay, good. Pronunciation is very important in this case. Firstly, you can use feel like for want or would like. But let me tell you that after feel like, you can use either a noun or a verb plus ing. As you can see on the board, you can use after feel like a noun or a verb plus ing. Good. Now, let me give you some examples to let you understand what I'm talking about. After feel like, you can use a noun. For example, in this sentence, I feel like a drink. I feel like a drink. Because you see, after feel like, even though I have an indefinite article here, but the most important is the noun, because you have to put the indefinite article before the noun. Okay, I feel like a drink. Drink here is let me show you. Drink is a noun. I feel like a drink. Drink is a noun. And the second one is you can use a verb plus ing form. I feel like going to the club. I feel like going to the club. I feel like going to the club. What can you see? You see after feel like, you see a verb plus ing form. Generally, I can say plus gerund. Okay, after feel like, you can have a noun or a gerund form, or you can have a verb plus ing form. But what they mean and what they want to replace when they say feel like here, remember this, want or would like. When they say in the first sentence is I feel like a drink, this sentence means I would like a drink, or I would like something to drink. I would like a beer, maybe I would like water, I would like something to drink. Or you have a desire, or you need something. Okay, you need something to drink, or you want something, or you would like to have something. So, and the second one is I feel like going to the club. I feel like going to the club is I would like to go to the club. This is what you mean. The same. If somebody says to you, I feel like going to the club, and someone else says, I would like to go to the club, similar, the same thing. Okay? I feel like or drink signifie mwen vle un boisson, because drink is a noun. Mwen vle un boisson la, mwen vle un bagay pou mwen. Okay? I feel like going to the club. This signifie en créole, mwen ta reme ale nan club. Okay? But they say the club, nan club la. Good. The second point is you can use this expression, which is don't feel like. You use a negation to put before feel like. You got expression don't feel like. Okay? To talk about things you don't want. Remember, feel like means want. Ou kapab utilize don't feel like lorsqu'on parle yon parti négatif. Par exemple, si me dit I feel like going to the club, si m'bable di m'ta reme al nan club, m'am di m'pata reme al nan club, you say, don't feel like. Good. Let me give you some examples. Bamban kek example. For example, I don't feel like sleeping yet. I don't feel like sleeping yet means m'pata reme ko dormi. Because you put yet after, m'pata reme ko dormi. I don't feel like sleeping yet. Why do they put sleeping? Remember the first rule. You can use a noun or ing form after feel like. Even though you use don't feel like, you can put ing. Même like you have utilisé don't feel like, ou capable toujours mettre ing, même principe ou capable mettre yon nom ou bien un verbe plus ing devant feel like, même s'il t'a gain don't for negative form. I don't feel like sleeping yet. Mwen pata reme ko dormi. But you mean I don't want to sleep yet. This is what you mean. Parce que si tu as un problème avec feel like, avec vidéo ça, parce que l'habitude. You know what to do. Next example is they don't feel like going out with her. They don't feel like going out with her. They don't feel like going out with her. Ils pas reme sorti avec. Bien, her ça signifie madame non bien mademoiselle là. Ou bien ti dame non. So what they mean when they say they don't feel like going out with her, they mean they don't want to go out with her. They don't want to go out with her. It's the same thing with they don't feel like going out with her. Lem dit they don't feel like going out with her, c'est même bagay avec they don't want to go out with her. Donc, ça veut dire feel like est capable de symboliser par want. You know that. Next example, or completely the last example is Gio doesn't feel like studying. Gio doesn't feel like studying. With this expression, don't feel like. Why do they say doesn't? Doesn't is because I got Gio is third person of singular. The sentence is in present simple. You say doesn't feel like studying. I say Gio. When I say Gio doesn't feel like studying, I mean Gio doesn't want to study. Gio doesn't feel like studying signifie Gio pas ta reme étudier. Okay? Gio pas ta reme étudier ou pas reme étudier. Okay? So, Gio doesn't want. Gio pas vle étudier. The same thing. Okay? Remember, I say feel like can mean want or would like. And expression feel like la signifie senti d'âme, senti j'aime dire en créole. M'envie boire un cola. Okay? M'ta remè en bon créole. Parce que would like signifie aimerait. J'aimerais, I would like to speak English. I would like to learn English. I would like to watch your videos. Itilize. And remember, you can use a noun or a verb plus ing. I can say, if you don't want to say verb plus ing, you can say gerund. Ou capable d'utiliser un nom, ou bien ou capable d'utiliser un verbe plus ing qui aurait les gerund là après feel like. Okay? And the troisième bagay, if you want to say the opposite of the sentence, if you simply by opposé de phrase, like I feel like to go, simply by opposé, you can put don't or doesn't before feel like. Ou capable mettre don't and doesn't devant feel like. So it's completely the end of the video. I hope you learned something new in it. Keep learning, guys. Keep supporting the channel and catch you in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.